So hello students, welcome to the session. So today we are going to learn how can we understand triangle is possible to draw or not. How can you understand it? So suppose I am saying कि you have three angles and you have three sides. I don't know whether we can draw the triangle by the given part, given the sides or angles, whether it is possible to draw or not. So how can you check it without drawing it, without construction? So I am telling you one by one we will try to understand. Okay, suppose I am saying if angles are given, so how can you identify whether triangle is possible or not? So you know very well, we have very famous property, you can say that, by angle sum property. By angle sum property we will be able to understand whether triangle is possible or not if angle is given, right? If all the three angles, whatever angle is given, if all the three angles are making 180 degree, means sum of all three angles is 180 degree, then we can say that yes, triangle is possible. But if you are saying, suppose I am saying one angle is 90 degree and the second angle, suppose I am saying it is 60 degree, and there is C angle which is 70 degree. So can we say that by these three angles can we make a triangle? So how will you find it without drawing? So what you will do, you will add all the three angles and you will check what result is coming. So when you will add it, you will see that it is 150 plus 70 and it is coming 220, and you can understand it is more than 180, and which is against the principle, or against the property. So here we have to be very deterministic on this particular point. Like if 180 is not here, if even 179.9 is also coming, then also you will say that triangle is not possible, right? So this is the one point which is very important on the basis of angle I am talking about. If I am saying sides are given, so what you will do on that time? So how can you identify that triangle is possible or not? So this is the next property which we have to use. We should understand, we have to check the sum of two sides. बिल्कुल ध्यान रखिएगा, यहाँ पर sum of two sides is always greater than third side. Now students, don't be confused here कि which two sides you have to take in. There are three choices, so that you can see that two sides, any two sides you can take. Suppose I am taking one example here. Now I am taking one triangle. This is suppose ABC, and I am saying AB is equal to 7 centimeter, and suppose I am saying BC is equal to 6 centimeter and CA is equal to 10 centimeter. So how will you check it, and how can you confirm that triangle is possible by these three sides? So what you will do, first of all, I can add AB plus BC, and what result is coming? 7 plus 6, that is coming 13. So you have to check this 13 is greater than the remaining side. So you will say that yes, because remaining side is 10 centimeter. So it means the first case is true. But we are not sure here, because maybe other two sides can give a lesser than the third side. So we have to check the other part also, other possibilities. So can we add AB and CA together? Then we will check AB plus CA. What is AB? 7 centimeter. What is CA? 10 centimeter. So it is coming 17 centimeter. Then 17 centimeter is greater than the remaining side? Yes. So we will say that it is also true. Now we will check one more possibility, because we have included AB and BC, we have included AB and CA, but this one is left. So we will include this one also, BC plus CA. So we are getting 16, and 16 is greater than the third side, which is 7 centimeter left. So in this case we can say that triangle is possible, right? So here it is true. But if I am taking one more example, suppose I am saying one triangle is PQ. PQ is suppose 3 centimeter and QR is equal to 2 centimeter, and there is RP which is 5 centimeter. So how can you say that this triangle is true or not? So we will check it again. We will check PQ plus QR should be greater than RP. We can check PQ plus RP greater than QR. We can check QR plus RP greater than PQ. Now we will put the value in this case. What is PQ? PQ is 3 plus 2, it is equal to 5, and you can say that the third side is also 5. So here it is not greater, it is equal. So what you will say here? It is getting fail. First statement is getting fail. Now you can check the second one also. 3 plus RP is 5, it is 8, and 8 is greater than 2. It is true, right? But it is fail. Now we will check for QR. QR is 2, RP is 5, it is 7, is greater than 3. So it means other two conditions are saying it is true, but one statement is saying it is wrong. But we have to be true for all. If it is getting fail at any statement, किसी भी एक कंडीशन पर अगर ये फेल हो जाता है कहीं पर भी, सपोज यहाँ पर पास हुआ एंड इट इज गेटिंग फेल हेयर, सो वी विल से दैट इट इज दिस, यू नो, these particular three sides are not possible sides for a triangle. मीन्स यहाँ से ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ नहीं हो सकता by using three sides. Clear? So this was the property by which we can identify that triangle is possible or not without construction. So this was all about, students. I hope these two properties you have understood, because one property is related to angle and other property is related to measuring of the sides. So keep remembering. Thank you so much.